Hello everyone. So last week was Jayden's birthday and I decided to make this special cake for him by using mostly what I had at home and some of the toys and stuff that I bought at Dollar Tree. So I had these taffy candies at home and I just used these alphabet cookie cutter to cut his name out, and it was super easy. And since it was only gonna be 4 of us anyways, I just decided to use one cake mix, and I used the 8-inch round pan as the bottom. Then I make a couple of the cupcakes to layer on the top, which worked out surprisingly really good because I didn't even have to cut the cake. I just took the cupcakes apart and it was very easy to eat. And this cake was actually super simple to make. All you have to do is just bake it like a regular cake, and then make sure you cut off the top portion to make sure all the cakes are even and you can layer them like how you want it to, and then just put icing on the top. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's gonna be a construction site, so it can look kind of messy and it's perfectly fine. And then Jayden has so much fun joining me while I was making this cake. Are you having fun? This cake works best with Oreo and some candies. Just make sure to crush those Oreo cookies to make your dirt and rocks. Just put it on in front of your bulldozer or your front loader and it looks great. I had these Easter jelly beans left and I decided to put on the dump truck. And then, of course, I used the taffy to make his name and decorate it in the front. Now, I just basically used a lot of things that I had home. Those construction signs and those construction trucks are actually Jayden's toys. He loves construction trucks right now, and I bought a lot of them. Some were from my mom and some were from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree have these construction trucks that are 2 for $1. They're great for cake decorations or just little toys. And then you just decorate it however you want. There's so many types of construction site that you can, create your own and be creative. However your kids like, whichever truck is his favorite, put it on top. They're gonna love it. Okay, so the cake was all done and we were ready to celebrate his birthday. I was a little bit sad that we did not get to throw his party as we planned, but it is for the best. I'm just really glad that we're all healthy and safe at home. This is a dump truck, right?
It's away. This is the dinosaur.
Yeah, Paw Patrol and Dinosaur are your gifts. And then what is this one?
Excavator.
Excavator! No, not yet. not yet. I'm gonna go get a candle, okay? We're gonna sing happy birthday. Go get a candle. Do you like Excavator? Excavator from... Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jayden. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Make a wish. What? Okay. All right. Happy birthday, Jayden. Are you happy? You are 3 years old now. You are 3. Can you say I am 3 years old? Yes, you're 3 years old. Okay. All right. You want to eat the cake?
Mama,
Yeah.
open.
You want to open? Okay, let's eat the cake first, okay? Let's eat the cake first and then we'll open the gifts. Yum. Yum, yum. Happy birthday, Jayden. Happy birthday to you. Happy? You're happy. Are you happy? Are you happy, Mimi? Okay. Cake for Amelia. Yum, yum. Cake for Amelia. and we all had a wonderful day at home playing with their new toys. Now, everything I used to make this simple, creative cake was mostly from Dollar Tree. The mini construction trucks, the Oreos, the Pillsbury cake mix, the icings. The only thing that wasn't from the Dollar Tree was the construction signs that was part of his old toys, and also the taffy. The taffy we had at the pantry for a while now. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have a little one who's obsessed with construction trucks, this would be a great time to DIY your own cake at home. It's easy, it's safe, and your kids will love it. And if they're not into construction trucks, just put their favorite toys on top. They're gonna love it anyways. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, and stay safe.